With a large amount of work to do and a limited amount of time, people are usually not satisfied with doing only one task at a time. They prefer handling multiple tasks simultaneously. For example, people may read documents, watch laptops, answer a phone call at the same time. So, how does multitasking actually works in our brain?
Do you know how multitasking works in our brain? I have no idea.
No, I don't know.
According to a study published in Nature, the ability of prefrontal cortex is to provide short-term memory and to represent the information not currently in the environment. When we carry out multiple tasks at the same time, our prefrontal cortex will split into two sides and work independently to perform different tasks. According to different news and studies, the ability to attain multiple goals simultaneously can come easier to women than men. A study in human physiology finds that women can switch their attention faster and easier than men in practice, so women are better multitaskers. As university students, we are interested in whether such phenomenon also exists in the subpopulation of the universe, the current university students. Based on our previous studies, our hypothesis is female students are better multitaskers than male. To investigate on this hypothesis, we have conducted an experiment involving collecting data from a number of university students.
A minigame will be used to test whether males or females perform better at multitasking. After that, a short interview containing questions about multitasking will be given.
Approximately 30 people are invited to play the minigame. Their surviving time will be recorded. Each of them has 3 chances, and we will average out the results in order to be more accurate. As you can see, the game begins with one task. After playing for some moments, the number of tasks on the screen start increasing from 1 to 4. This requires the players to multitask because they need to use different group of keys to complete the tasks.
I find this game quite difficult because I need to switch among the arrow keys, spacebar, and some alphabet keys.
His eyes have to move quickly and cannot focus on just one of the tasks. This can easily confuse him. As a result, occasional mistakes can occur when the players press the wrong keys.
That gives us reason to believe the longer time the players survive, the better their abilities are in multitasking. Now, I cannot wait to see the result. Come with our data analyst Chantal and check which group has done a better job, male or female.
How is the average score of male different from those of female?
Even if the average score of male and female show different spread, the majority of them overlaps. Indeed, the mean of the male average is about 52.8, while that for female is 54.5. Thus, we don't have enough statistical evidence for the entire population on the inequality of males.
Since the mean score of these groups are almost the same, can we say that they follow the same distribution?
Yes, the distributions of these two sectors, though not identical, are very close to each other. By conducting the two-sample Kolmogorov test, we believe that the distributions of average scores in men and women are statistically the same. Meanwhile, the estimated density functions of these two populations show clearly a bell shape. The middle parts of the latitudinal plots, as we can see, are in roughly straight lines. Statistically speaking, we conclude that they are both normally distributed.
I have a more challenging question for you. Can you estimate the most likely result that male and female will get in the whole population?
The density function of male, as shown on this graph, peaks at a slightly larger value than that of female. Indeed, we estimate that men most frequently survive at around 56 seconds in this game, while for women, they usually losing about 8 seconds.
Combining the results of our interviews and the scores of the gameplay, we have the following findings.
Most of our interviewees are pretty good multitaskers and they do practice multitasking frequently in their daily lives, because they see multitasking helps their lives.
If I have good multitasking skills, all the homework will be in the case.
Even some male interviewees also believe that women are better multitaskers. Unfortunately, however, there is no statistical evidence based on our sample. Return to our original hypothesis. We believe our sample data cannot support it, even if some previous studies indicate that women are generally better multitaskers than men. When it comes down to a specific subpopulation, the current university students, this result may not hold. This is probably because university students tend to, either proactively or passively, do several things together. Another guess is that the training and funds of other mental abilities, for example math reading and painting, can transfer onto the enhancement of multitasking capability.
Further to our study, one may ask, is there any evidence supporting our previous guess that multitasking abilities can be enhanced by mental training?
The answer is yes. According to a research in the University of Vanderbilt, mental training improves multitasking performance by increasing the speed of information processing in human prefrontal cortex.
Study makes our previous guess plausible. So, based on our study, we can confidently conclude that there is no significant differences in multitasking abilities between males and females within the group of university students. This probably results from their many years of mental training.